To make Jamaican saltfish and cabbage and a mango salad, first wash your hands. Then peel the papery skin off a clove of garlic and put it into a plastic food bag. Use a rolling pin to bash the garlic into small pieces. Take an oven-proof pot with a lid and tip the garlic out of the bag and into the pot. Add vegetable oil, dried thyme, chilli flakes, onion powder, a few twists of black pepper, and give it all a mix. Now take skinless saltfish that has been soaked and prepared for you by a grown-up. Then use 2 forks to check the fish for bones and shred the fish into small pieces. Add your fish to the pot and don't forget to wash your hands after handling raw fish. Mix the shredded fish with the spices and oil. Now use your hands to push and pull apart a green pepper. Take out the seeds and tear it into small pieces. Then add it to the pot. Do the same with a red and yellow pepper and give everything a good mix. Put the lid on the pot and ask a grown-up to put it in the oven for you. Now use scissors to carefully cut the white stems from clean cabbage leaves. Then cut up the green part of the leaves into smaller pieces. Use your fingers to spread butter onto a sheet of baking paper that is a little bigger than your cooking pot. Ask a grown-up to take your pot out of the oven and take the lid off. Now, ask them to add the cabbage and some water. Then they should cover all the ingredients with the buttered baking paper, which goes in buttered side down. Ask the grown-up to put the lid back on and carefully place the pot back in the oven until the fish and cabbage are cooked. To make your mango salad, use a table knife to carefully cut up some tinned mango. Then carefully cut up a small handful of fresh coriander using scissors. Now top and tail 2 spring onions and cut them into small pieces. Add the chopped coriander and the spring onions to the bowl of mango. Squeeze the juice of half a lime over your bowl and give it all a good mix. When the saltfish and cabbage is cooked, serve it with the mango salad for a delicious meal. This is a My World Kitchen green recipe that can be eaten often.